Good day to you. My name is Ayub Khan, Chairman of EasyMed Technologies Inc., a Swiss-based company that's one of the global leaders in health information technology and specializes in mobile health. Based out of Geneva, many years ago, we identified two major trends. The first trend was that of mobile phones and the omnipresence today in society. In 2011, for the first time ever, the sales of smartphones and tablets exceeded those of PCs. The second trend that we identified was health and technology. The only way to safeguard the costs in health is through technology, and that is the center of gravity of EasyMed. We have a very strong technological base that creates bespoke solutions for clinics, for hospitals, and for consumer organizations that have large amount of clientele globally. This short video will allow you to see some of the products that we've developed over the years, and hopefully you can see some of the benefits that could help your own business. Thank you very much. Here is an example of EasyMed's professional agenda, which books appointments and prepares visits for patients of high-end hospitals and clinics around the world. As you see, it was a simple login. We go to the date to add the appointment for Dr. John. There's no duplication of effort for the staff of the hospital. It's prepared in a few clicks, and then we add to the agenda, and then it's prepared the visit. As you can see, the patient will receive a text message telling him the date of the appointment, the hour, and whether he can attend or not. It's interactive. Things are made much more simple in this manner.
EasyMed has been a great help in addressing three issues. First, absenteeism, which was high at 10%, has been reduced notably. Secondly, it helps us in patient preparation, which is very important for studies. And thirdly, it helps us with transparency and transmission of information. It is a fantastic solution, it works very well, and we're happy to recommend it.
This is another tool we have added to EasySmartCare, one which has a very important feature in a hospital setting, the medication reminder. The agenda shows that our patient, Mr. Robbins, takes colvestina and simvastatin. Dangerous interactions are signaled with this medication. Because he's a chronic drug user, we will now add a reminder for another medication, diabesin. The ease of entry is very simple to see. Then we will add the frequency. It'll be once a day. Then we go to the actual amount of time that the regime will be used. And we finish. That's it. He will receive on his mobile phone this medication reminder. The doctor can also broadcast a message to the patient, asking him to enter any negative side effects. This is very good for the continuation of healthcare after he leaves the clinic. EasyMed Technology has deployed an EasySmartCare solution at the Cantonal Hospital of Geneva, at the cardiac department under Professor Colongos. We have a possibility for the patient, once he's tested, to have created a stochastic that if the blood is too thick or too thin, then we immediately advise the patient and the doctor so that he comes in for emergency treatment. For thrombosis of the veins and other hypertension issues, this is absolutely critical. This is the future of EasySmartCare, and most hospitals in the world would have these state-of-the-art solutions in hand as they go forward. Here are some other comprehensive features that can be integrated into the state-of-the-art patient management system by EasyMed. An online questionnaire can help the hospital prepare for the visit of the patient before he actually shows up to the hospital. This is a diabetes-related questionnaire. We assign the questionnaire to Tony Robbins. Here's the comprehensive list of all the questions that he can answer on his PDA or his mobile phone. 5 questions assigned to Tony Robbins. The ease of use is very simple. It's sent on the 4th of March, and he should answer this so that we can prepare his visit at the clinic and the high-end facility. We jump into the agenda right now, where we see that Tony Robbins' questionnaire needs to be dealt with. and then we bring up his medical file. The EasyMed Medical Passport is often used by various doctors, and here, since he has a bronchial infection, we can see that we've stored chest x-rays. These are stored for easy access. The first x-ray comes up, and everybody in the various departments can access these, so that a comprehensive judgment is made on the various factors relating to Tony Robbins. We can also collect values for blood glucose levels. This is usually done once the patient has left on his PDA or his mobile phone. This is important to monitor the client's progress. Once a week, starting at the end of the month, we will be able to monitor this. We can also use this for putting in weight or blood pressure. This is a very significant tool in helping keep the patient healthy. EasyMed Technology has created SmartCare as a high-end patient management tool for hospitals and clinics throughout the world. From preparing the patient before he comes in a serene environment and downloading his medical files on his mobile phone and taking care of him as he leaves and when he has left the clinic is something of paramount importance to the way customer satisfaction is managed in the state-of-the-art hospitals and facilities around the world. We feel that SmartCare and EasyMed Technologies' bespoke solutions that are tailor-made are the way to take your business forward. The International Medical Passport is another key product of EasyMed Technology. Let us show you how it works. Here's a patient profile of Anthony Robbins, and it shows you how complete it is. It's 85% complete. Let's scroll down. We can go into the various features of the medical profile. Immunizations. Here, he has had the chickenpox vaccine. We go into the allergies. We can even add allergies. Here, he has acute conjunctivitis, so with a very simple scroll down, he can add it to his medical profile. We go into the medication history, which is absolutely critical to know what kind of drug regime the patient has basically had in the past. And as you can see on the screen, here is the regime that he's had in the past, various interreactions. We go into the medical files as well. This is another comprehensive solution which he showed you earlier. Here, because of the bronchial infection and the various drugs he's taken, this is the progress report. We go and scroll down. We also have the possibility on the International Medical Passport to see various features like find a caregiver. I'm in Turkey, I'm in Ankara, I am stranded, I'm not feeling good, I need to see a cardiologist. I can basically enter all of this information into my International Medical Passport and I'm given a location. Here we're also seeing drug information of a pill that I'm taking if I've lost the packet. Here are top pills, various indications, dosages and administration. We can find drug equivalents. Sometimes we travel to a country, we ran out of our medication, we don't know what the equivalent is. EasyMed has over the years created a comprehensive database, so we tell you what the local equivalent is. We can prepare to go to a specific country. Here we're preparing to go to Turkey. We see that malaria is an issue. And as we scroll down, we see that there's preventive treatments, vaccines that need to be taken before we go. This is a very comprehensive tool. It has an online version and we have a mobile version that we'll show you later. We can share the profile of our children. Here David Robbins is also in the profile of Anthony Robbins. This is critical when you have elder parents and children. And Dr. John is the caregiver that basically gives access to this profile for his own records. EasyMed has also developed a mobile app with a very easy login on any smartphone. Wherever you travel around the world, you can have your medical files with you. Here's a medical passport, similar to the online version. You've got immunizations, allergies, side effects, which you can enter, and they can be there at your fingertips. Here is my medication regime, social history, various things that you can put into your medical passport. And sometimes there's an emergency and you want to find a hospital in some unknown environment. Here we click on a particular clinic and very quickly we're given instructions how to get there. This is important in case of an emergency. You can find pharmacy, psychiatrists. Here, also drugs, drug interactions with the medical regime that we have. In particular, here we have blood pressure monitoring. We can share profiles with our various doctors, even on our mobile app. And tip of the day is also very interesting to have. This is a unique way to have your medical record on your mobile phone wherever you go. EasyMed Technology has been involved in health information technology for almost a decade. We adhere to very strict compliance such as HIPAA, such as HL7, which allows interoperability between various departments of a hospital. We're also on the Health Integration Framework of IBM, where we have deployed a joint solution at the Cantonal Hospital of Geneva. We realize the sensitivity of customer data, and therefore we use secure servers at the hospitals that we partner with or at GRITA. We feel that we can provide, through our experience, very secure solutions which will add a lot of performance to your hospitals in a secure environment. So that was the video of EasyMed, and showed you some of the products that we've developed over the years, dangerous interactions, drug equivalents, but obviously the bespoke solutions and patient management for high-end hospitals and clinics throughout the world. We feel that this is the way business is going to be run in the future. State-of-the-art technology combining itself with medical health, and all around the world we feel that EasyMed is going to make an impact. Thank you for your time.